Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. If you guys have not yet, make sure to subscribe and hit that bell notification to not miss every time I upload a new video. So today we are gonna do a everyday makeup look, I guess you can say. A go-to makeup, a natural go-to makeup look. So let's go ahead and get started. Okay, so for my natural looks, I do go more for soapy brows. So I do use the Pierce Bar soap to do my soapy brows. This is how it looks, and I am going to be spraying it with the Milani Make It Last setting spray, and I am going to be using the Anastasia Beverly Hills brow pencil in number 12. Okay, so let's go ahead and get started. So I already applied soap on my eyebrows. On the brush. So I start by applying going upwards. This right here, I don't like pushing it upwards, so I push it to the side like this. But the rest I do push upwards. So this is how it looks, and then after that, like, I did not apply any more soap or anything like that. I am gonna go like this. I don't know if you guys can see me. To shape it out. Just like so. Just like that. Just try to fix it as much as possible how you would like it. So this is how I would like it. Like, I don't have hair, so like I was saying, I don't have like no more, I don't have really that much hair right here, so it does look like I have a little gap. But it's fine because we'll go back and try to like fill it in with our brow pomade or whatever you guys use, either gel, pencil, like whatever you guys use. We're gonna go back and fill it in, so I'll be back when I have both of my eyebrows done. Okay, so after you have your brows how you like it, we are gonna be going in with the LA Girl Pro Concealer. This is my first time trying it, so I'm gonna go ahead and give you guys a review on this concealer, how it works for me. Okay, so I'm gonna go ahead and correct my eyebrows from the bottom. This is the Wet n Wild concealing brush. I'm gonna go ahead and conceal the bottom with the concealer. So I did go ahead and just apply a little bit on the bottom. So I'm gonna go ahead and try to conceal it. Conceal it how you like it. You do your eyebrows however. So after that, we're just blending out the concealer under your eyebrow. You could either blend it out with a brush or with the beauty blender. This is the beauty blender. This is the Sonia Kashuk, I think that's how you say it, beauty blender. And you can go ahead and just blend that out from the bottom. So after that, we're just blending out the concealer under your eyebrow. You could either blend it out with a brush or with the beauty blender. This is the beauty blender. This is the Sonia Kashuk, I think that's how you say it, beauty blender. And you can go ahead and just blend that out from the bottom. So that's how it looks. I'll be back when I have both of my eyebrows concealed from the, I do not know what I have in my chin, but I'll be back when I have both of my eyebrows done. Just like that. And now we're gonna go in with a little bit of Anastasia pomade, dip pomade, so to make little strokes of hairs where you guys have little gaps, just like I do right there. So I didn't apply too much product in the brush, but I am gonna do little strokes like that to fill in the gaps that I have. So like I was saying, we are just gonna do little tiny strokes right here. Just where you have the gaps, you're gonna fill them in, just like I am. I am gonna apply a little bit of the e.l.f. brow gel just because I mean after, because like the soap didn't really apply, like I was saying, it really didn't push my eyebrows back, like downwards. So I am gonna apply a little bit of that. Look, I applied too much product right here. So what I try to do, just try to spread it out a little bit, as much as possible. But yeah, we're just doing little tiny strokes. So after that, I just go, I have not applied product, but I do go ahead and try to, with the light hand, I try to just shade it in a little bit from the front, like so. And if you guys hear that noise, I'm sorry, I'm in the living room. It's my dishwasher. Okay, so after that, I did apply a little bit of gel to press down my eyebrows a little bit more. I took out a little bit of hairs that I have right here. That's why I do have a red spot. So I am going to go back with a little bit of more concealer to go ahead and sharpen the rest of my eyebrows. To re-sharpen them, I mean, to like make them to the desired shape again. If you messed up, or just if you want to make them a little bit more sharper, you can go ahead and go back with. So I am done with my brows. I am gonna prime my face with the e.l.f. matte putty primer, in the white one. I'm only gonna apply a little bit because I did already apply my other moisturizer. And go ahead and blend that all in. After that, I am gonna go in with the Maybelline 30 Hour Super Stay Activewear foundation in shade 125 Neutral Beige. And I am gonna do this off by sections because this foundation does dry up really fast. I don't know if you guys see my last YouTube video, I did apply this all over my face without knowing how fast it dried, and it dried so fast that I wasn't able to blend it out. And I am gonna blend it out with the Sonia Kashuk Beauty Blender. I'll be back. Like I was saying, I am gonna do it in sections, so let's go ahead and start off with my cheeks. By the way, I am trying out this beauty blender to see how good it blends, and so far it's doing a good job. So let's go ahead and blend. Oh, wrong side. Let's go ahead and blend a little bit more. Blend, blend, blend. So I am going to continue on blending in my foundation, and I'll be back when I have my whole face done. Okay, so after you had applied all your foundation, I am going to go in with the Jeffree Star brush JS9, and I'm going to be using the Morph 9T palette. And I'm going to be going in with this neutral shade right here to go ahead and put it all over my eyelid first. So I am gonna get that neutral and just go ahead and put it and set all my eyes with it. Okay, after you set your eyes, I am gonna go in with this light brown. Sorry, my palette's all buff, but I'm gonna go in with this like peach color, and we're gonna go in circular motions, just like this. Like I'm doing, I am gonna go in circular motions. Reminder, this is my go-to makeup look, my natural makeup look. So I do just, don't do too much, but something very light. So with that, now I'm gonna go to the other side and go ahead and start going circular motions again. like I'm doing, I am gonna go in circular motions. Reminder, this is my go-to makeup look, my natural makeup look. So I do just don't do too much, but something very light. So with that, now I'm gonna go to the other side and go ahead and start going circular motions again. So after that, we are gonna cream contour with the LA Girl Pro Concealer in shade, I don't think it says the shade. Oh yeah, it does. In shade Beautiful Bronze. Okay, so we are gonna go ahead and contour. Waiting. Okay, so after that, we are, like I was saying, we are gonna go ahead and contour. I have never cream contour because I just get scared. Why, I do not know, but I do just get scared contouring. My pelitos everywhere. But yes, I do get scared. I was saying it's because I'm scared. So I'm gonna grab my beauty blender and I'm gonna use the back of it because I use the front for the foundation. So let's go ahead. I don't think this beauty blender is gonna work to blend. So let me go ahead and get another beauty blender. Be right back. So I did go ahead and get a Real Technique beauty blender. That's the brand name. And I'm gonna go ahead and blend it all up. Like this. So let's go ahead and blend. Excuse all my baby hairs. Let's go ahead and blend it all out. Oh, this is how you know I never freaking cream contour. It's okay. We'll go ahead and fix it. Okay, so this is how it looks, but it's okay because we are gonna be going in with the powder contour. This one looks ugly, but we're still gonna go ahead and what did I say? Sharpen it out and everything. But let's go ahead and apply concealer under my bags because I don't sleep. It's just like so. Excuse my husband if you. So I did go ahead and apply concealer under my eyes because I need this. Excuse me, my son's crying. Be right back. Okay, so like I was saying, I am gonna conceal under my eyes because I have really bad eye bags. Just like so. So I did go ahead and apply concealer under my eyes because I need this. Excuse me, my son's crying. Be right back. Okay, so like I was saying, I am gonna conceal under my eyes because I have really bad eye bags. Just like so. I am gonna go in with the Maybelline Fit Me shade 100 translucent and go ahead and I'm gonna go ahead and just apply that right under my eye. Right on my eye. Oops. Just like so, and then I don't like my eyes to be so white, so I did wipe it off with a beauty blender. So I am gonna go ahead and apply of this Fit Me powder all over my face. I am gonna fix that right now. Ladies, settle down. So just like so, all over my face. Fix my giddiness. So here's the part where I go in with my more 8F contour palette. This is how it looks like. And I'm gonna use this brush. I don't know where I got this from. I got it from Ulta, but I don't know what the name of it is. So we're gonna go ahead and bronze and contour, try to fix that. So I am still kind of bronzing where I supposedly cream contour. I just never did. I think I kind of fixed this. I think I did. After that, I'm gonna go back to the Maybelline. I mean, not to that. I am gonna go get this brush. I don't know. It's like an angle brush, I guess. And I'm gonna go in with the brightener from the contour palette. From the contour palette that I was using. So I go ahead and go in with the brightener. I just go dab, 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 dab. And I go ahead and brighten it up. Just like so. Or you guys can also use a beauty blender. I just don't have it with me right now. I mean, I do, but my contouring with that LA Cover Girl contour went wrong, as you guys see, and it's full of contour. Look at this. So I'll just stick with the brush for now. Okay, so I'm gonna use the same contour palette, and I am gonna get a little bit of blush. Not too much. I don't really like that much blush, but I need a little bit of dirt naricita. Okay, so I am gonna get this fluffy brush and go ahead and just brush this away. Also, if you don't like how it looks like me, I do go in with my powder, stab it, and like my contour and my blush, I just stab it a little bit, like so. So like I said, I do go ahead and just snap all it. Sorry, you have a piece of hair. After that, that's pretty much it. And then I spray my face with that Milani Make It Last 16-hour wear, which is good. I rate it like a 9 out of 10. It just does leave your face a little bit tacky. But yeah, other than that, it's good. Okay, so this is the final look for my natural go-to look. And then put some chapstick because you're starting to look crusty, dusty like mine. And that's pretty much it. And this is how my go-to natural makeup look looks. So this is the final look to my natural go-to makeup look. I do not put like mascara or anything like that because supposedly it's natural. But I do want to thank you guys for watching my videos, and see you guys on my next video. And make sure to subscribe and hit that bell notification to not miss every time I upload. Thank you guys.